What is up, guys? I hope you're all having an amazing day. I'm here sitting in the back with my good mate Arlo, keeping me entertained through the whole trip. So yes guys, we are here at Lakeside Raceway today, here for a talk time event. I believe it's talk time. Yes, it is talk time. Well yeah, pretty much half an hour track sessions, smashing it around Lakeside Raceway. And there's some pretty quick cars here that I can see already. There's a few GTRs here, Gene's cars here as well. I have to go catch up with Gene as well. Yeah, there's a few really quick Barras here. There's a whole heap of quick Japanese cars here. It's going to be an absolutely sick day. So anyway, I've set up the GoPro in the engine bay and also a GoPro up on the very top of the windscreen there. It's going to be a sick morning. Hopefully we get some cool races too. These things are so cool.
It is,
I love them.
Godzilla. Holy.
TEs. One can only dream. T37s, Ventasaurus 4 tyres. It's perfect. I always love the colour of this Subaru, no matter when I see it. I see it all the time. It's so perfect.
What is it?
It's like a goldy, kind of bluey, kind of silvery, greeny. Yeah, it won't pick up well on camera. It's nice. I like it. There's his Instagram if you want to go see it. Sick. AMG C63S, beautiful car. Saved up all my money, finally bought the car of my dreams.
Literally.
Honda Integra, Type R. Oh, this is so beautiful. Honda gang, I have an appreciation for Hondas now. They are so beautiful. Oh, okay, we will go have a look at the Lamborghini. I wonder if we can line this up today, Alex. That'd be a cool clip.
Dude.
Yeah? I wonder who would win. I don't even know much about these cars. So cool. God, these are beautiful cars, aren't they? I've always wanted to paint a car in this colour. Man, we could do the Civic in it. Oh, that is so beautiful. It's like Spitfire green, I think. It's wicked. Wicked Porsche. I wonder if it's a GT3 RS. Is it? Oh, it's a GT4. Beautiful.
I was wrong.
I looked at the center caps. Pretty. It's pretty, eh?
I love the blue.
Yeah.
It's like not a regular blue.
I agree.
Special blue.
It's like on par with that green. I love that green. Rightio. Everyone's heading out on track. You keen, man?
Yes.
Alright.
And turn the GoPro on.
Oh yes, let's do that. Let's not leave the bonnet up.
Yes.
That would be bad. That would be bad.
That would
Look at this janky solution of a GoPro. Rightio, we're on.
Is his hand in the timing gear? Yes, cool.
Yeah, hands on the belt. Mint. Let's do this, man.
Let's do this. Let's get out.
Chuck on the Hero 9. Man, so many GoPros we got going on.
I know, it's crazy.
I love it. Yeah,
You'd think you were a YouTuber.
yeah, something like that.
It's so loud.
It matched my laugh, which was weird. So I wonder if we'll race this Mazda 121. I reckon for sure it's got a turbo and it's gonna smoke you.
It has gauges. But
Does it actually?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, it's got a P plate, but
I don't think there's going to be lots of races happening. Gene's out the front, he's not done.
oh, they're not going fast. Aw, sad. She pretty.
I'm going to have to fucking catch up.
Yeah.
Gonna hook around me as well.
What? Real quick. Maybe I'll split beside you.
Yes.
Yay, a race.
Maybe. Oh, what the fuck? What are you doing?
That was quick.
Goddamn.
Nah.
I don't even know what's going on anymore.
Oh, hello. Look out.
Can that brake?
Yeah. I
Oh,
think
no, that's
so.
fucking
Oh, a
liquid.
radiator thing. I smell coolant. I
Smells
smell a
like
lot of
pancakes.
coolant.
Oh no.
Oh no.
We didn't get a race, but we got a. That is broken.
Yeah. That is certainly broken. XR6 Turbo blows up on Lakeside Straight. What?
Oh no.
Guys, if that is the title, it is 100% a meme. I'm sorry. Yeah, he's dropping water everywhere.
Yeah, there's lots of moisture on the track.
Yeah. Yes.
Fix that.
I feel bad for him. He's a really nice bloke too.
Yeah.
That's sad.
Nice car though.
Yeah, it is.
Love the plates. Heavy Hulk.
I love the plates, yeah. It's actually got a Hulk fist that's been airbrushed into the rock cover.
Yeah.
It's sick, yeah.
Oh. Yeah, true. Fuck this guy.
This is such a good day. Out on the track in the morning, watching V8s all day.
I know.
Oh yeah, by the way, guys, it's Bathurst Sunday, so hope you all have a merry Bathurst Sunday.
Merry Bathurst Sunday.
Yeah, it's a good day. This car's so nice. Hooks up so well. It's so smooth. That's illegal.
that sounds illegal.
That sounds illegal. That sounds broken. Jeez.
It sounds-
I wonder how many people you can catch. Chopped an SSV? What?
From the start.
That's like all Aussie Day.
That's illegal.
And now what you do at a Aussie Day is you'd be like Jan and you'd drift this the whole way around. Another car just dropped water.
Oh my god, I hit a 900 horsepower car. Hold on, do the chop thing.
Oh wait, is that
That's oil, transmission fluid.
I'm not quite sure. It doesn't smell like coolant though.
So that's fuel. That
Is it?
Definitely fuel. Smell it. It's 98.
Yeah. Just pull up beside him real quick. Wait, it's leaking fuel. Oh my god, so many cars popped in front of us
Dude.
today. It's the day for blowing up.
Dude, every car that has been in front of us.
It's just blown up for some reason. It's done something.
Oh my god.
It's so weird.
You're so videogenic. You attract the bad.
It must just be the ZacBaldy curse, dude. Like, I swear to god, every single time I'm around someone's car, except for yours, it's broken.
Yeah, because it doesn't sound broken. Not this time.
I don't know.